What's happening, everybody? I'm Josh from MOTORVAULT, and this is a 1990 Nissan 300ZX twin turbo. This one has 61,000 original miles, automatic transmission, fully serviced by the CarVault here in Brownsburg, Indiana, and she's ready to go. The 1990 300ZX was a really special car when it came out. It was a completely redesigned new car. The twin turbo with 300 horsepower and 283 feet-pound of torque, just like this one, won the 1990 Motor Trend Import of the Year and 1991 Top 10 Best Cars for Motor Trend. So when these were new, they were the car to have coming over from Japan. And with the Supra and all the other cars in that category, the 3000 GT, these will always be an icon. The great wedge styling, and they are still quick today.